Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Fast way to remove parasites from your body? How to get rid of pinworms. Let's face it, no one wants to talk about parasites, but they are way more common than you think. Pinworms, tapeworms, and other unwanted guests could be living inside you right now without you even realizing it. The good news? You don't need expensive medications or complicated treatments to get rid of them. Grandma always had a simple, natural solution that actually works. The first sign of pinworms is often an itchy sensation, usually at night, because these tiny critters come out when you're asleep. Other symptoms include digestive issues, bloating, fatigue, and even unexplained weight loss. The CDC estimates that millions of people, especially children, get infected with pinworms every year, making it one of the most common parasitic infections in the world. But don't panic, we've got a tried and true remedy that has been passed down for generations. So what's the secret ingredient? Garlic? Yes, that humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting parasites. Garlic contains allicin and ajoine, two compounds known for their strong anti-parasitic properties. They not only kill existing parasites, but also prevent new ones from thriving in your body. Simply crush a few cloves of raw garlic and mix them with honey or warm water. Take this mixture before bed and let nature do its work overnight. But wait, there's more. Grandma also swore by pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds contain cucurbitacin, a natural compound that paralyzes parasites, making it easier for your body to expel them. To use this remedy, simply blend raw pumpkin seeds with a little coconut milk or water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Do this for a week and you'll start noticing the difference. Another incredible ingredient? Apple cider vinegar. This fermented liquid helps balance your stomach's levels, creating an environment that parasites hate. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water and drink it daily to help flush out unwanted invaders. Don't forget the power of herbs. Wormwood, cloves, and black walnut hulls have been used for centuries to eliminate parasites. These three work together to kill adult parasites, larvae, and eggs, ensuring they don't come back. You can find these herbs in supplement form or make a tea by boiling them together for a few minutes. Drink it once a day and watch as those pesky parasites disappear. Another fantastic natural remedy is papaya seeds. These tiny black seeds contain powerful enzymes like papain, which help break down parasites and their eggs in the digestive tract. To use, simply grind fresh papaya seeds and mix them with honey. Consume this mixture every morning for at least a week for best results. Turmeric is another powerhouse ingredient. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, turmeric helps cleanse the digestive system and eliminate parasites. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm milk or water and drink it before bed to maximize its effects. Coconut oil is also incredibly effective. It contains medium-chain fatty acids that create an inhospitable environment for parasites. Consuming a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil daily can help expel them naturally. For added benefit, you can also use coconut oil as part of an external treatment by applying it around the affected area to soothe itching caused by pinworms. If you're looking for an easy dietary tweak, add more fiber to your meals. Foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, and leafy greens help clean your intestines, making it harder for parasites to latch onto your gut. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps your body flush out toxins and parasites naturally. Of course, prevention is just as important as treatment. Wash your hands frequently, especially after using the restroom or handling food. Keep your nails short and clean to prevent eggs from getting trapped underneath. And if you have pets, make sure to deworm them regularly, as they can be carriers of parasites too. So there you have it. Grandma's old recipe, backed by science and trusted for generations. If you've been feeling off lately, maybe it's time to give this natural cleanse a try. Your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and check out our other health tips. You won't believe what else we've got in store for you.